I am absolutely staggered at how calm international stock markets are.
Amazing,
I mean,
isn't
I
it?
do get
Yeah.
France and Germany, despite the French economy, which we'll go on to later, because they've got so few stocks, and they are the kind of stocks that could rally and have rallied very strongly. But also what worries me is that if you flick away at NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, and a few of these other huge companies that are, of course, involved in AI, you just think if somebody stuck a pin inside the US stock market, it might just drop. I'm not sure. I mean, there's got a huge amount of liquidity out there, so
Yes.
I'm not certain it will happen. But every time I scratch the back of my head, I think, gosh, it doesn't look good to me. What do you think?
Well, the recent earnings season in the US has seen a number of companies' guidance being disappointing, saying that some of this slowdown we talked about in jobs starting to feed through. Companies are saying, we don't quite see as much sales as before. Things like Lululemon, they had a terrible after their earnings came out due to guidance being lower. But if this is the slightly quirky nature of global markets, where as we started this, the US feeds everything else. And actually the US is now 7 stocks. So, I mean, NVIDIA just about seems to keep on beating expectations. But look, it can't do it forever. And I've noticed a slight shift now. There was, as with all new technology, lots of excitement about AI. But we're now getting that second level of, it helped somewhat, but how much is it really making us more efficient?
And you can listen to the full version of that podcast wherever you get your podcasts from.